Celeste, I vow that I will always be there for you in good and bad times, to love you with all my heart. I promise to keep my love strong for the rest of my life and share these same feelings as we grow old together. And I will accept everything you are, respect your feelings and thoughts, and always be honest with you. I will be there when you're feeling sad, sick, when you need a hug. I'm excited to share this commitment with you and devote my life to you as we go on this journey together. I love you.
When I met you, I actually prayed, before I met you rather, I prayed to God to give me a gift. And so I believe He sent you to me as a gift. So as a gift, I would treasure you forever. I promise that I will always be here to support you, to love you and be faithful to you. No matter how different we are as individuals, I will be extra patient and grow old with you. I'll be supporting you in all your endeavors. Whatever you like to do, I will always be there to support you and cheer you on. Yes, and I will love you forever.
You've just made a promise to one another. One that will take a lifetime to fulfill. And so therefore, it is my privilege to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Yes, thank you everyone. We really appreciate everyone's presence, and this is just a very intimate wedding, but we wanted to share it with you guys because you played a role in our lives here in Sydney. We haven't been here for such a long time, but in 1 year that we have lived here, we met you guys, so that for us it's very special, and we're thankful to share our wedding day with all of you.
The first time we met John, he was already been accepted by the family. When my sister introduced him to the family, we already knew that this guy would be the one for my sister. So finally today, they are legally married, and okay, you can do anything you want.
So for you, John and Celeste, I could only wish that you will stay forever. Because for me, getting married is not a joke. I can only ask that you will love each other forever. That is my only wish. And for you, congratulations, and God bless you, and we love you.
Nagpapasalamat ako kay John na dumating siya sa buhay ni Celeste, na si Celeste naman ay muling umibig at alam niya na ang pinagdaanan ni Celeste noon at Celeste na may tinanggap niya ng buong puso sa kanyang buhay. So, congratulations.
Thank you guys. On your new journey as a husband and wife, and be good to each other.
John, I wish you happiness the rest of your life, and I'll try to help you as much as I can. So yeah, I'm always here for you. Okay, don't worry about it. Thanks.
You're gonna have an amazing life together. So congratulations.
Hashtag Celeste, John and Only. Congratulations and best wishes for you guys.
I wish you all the best in life, and God bless you.
I just want to wish you guys all the very best of love, happiness, and good health. And this is to many, many more years of love and happiness for both of you. Good luck and congratulations on your wedding day.
Congratulations, John Celeste. Wish you all the best for the future, together as one.
So all the best, and then good luck, all happiness and joy and sweet in the love. Yeah.
May you put God first in the center of your relationship, and best wishes, have babies to come soon.
The wedding was quite beautiful, really, perfect setting, and this occasion here has just been great. So it's been great to be part of it. Thank you.
So again, thank you very much, and we would also like to acknowledge John's parents, John's family, his sisters, even though they cannot be here physically, but yeah, we know that they are with us celebrating this momentous occasion by heart. Yeah, so again, thank you so much. This means a lot to us that you are all here to celebrate this simple and intimate wedding of ours. So we look forward to sharing our lives with all of you. Thank you.
Hi, John and Celeste. We are so happy that you are going to tie your knot right now. On your wedding day, we are planning to go to join with you to attend your wedding, but unfortunately, because of some reasons that we could not be with you on this special day, we just wish you that you'll be happy as a husband and wife. Just understand each other. Just communicate. Just pray. And let God be the center in your lives. Happy wedding day, John and Celeste.
Best wishes, John and Celeste.
I just wish you guys a lifetime of love and happiness. And again, congratulations and best wishes to both of you. I wish I could be there on your wedding day.
We wish you a lifetime of happiness and love and respect. Be understanding to each other. Love each other deeply. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Uncle John and Ate Teles. We love you.
I would like to propose a toast to a lovely couple for a lifetime love and happiness. Cheers. Congrats.